Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Crypto Chris and I'm back with another cryptocurrency breakdown of Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum and another couple of altcoins. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, guys. I'm trying to grow my channel and just trying to put out some quality content out for you guys. So first of all, I'm going to jump into the Bitcoin chart. I'm going to show you guys what's happened. Quick recap on my last video, what happened and what actually played out. So to be honest, guys, Bitcoin caught me a bit off guard. Let me get the drawing tool. We was in this region here. I was expecting at least a further drop down to this trend line before retesting this region up here. So what actually played out, we found support on the 50-day moving average, and then price just rocketed up, broke through this last recent high, and we went over 5,600. As you can see, guys, today price is pulling back down. I'm expecting further we could retest this 50-day moving average and then carry on higher, or we can actually find support and validate this trend line one more time before rocketing into the upside. I mean, there's a lot of bullish momentum going on in the crypto market, and we've had this minuscule little 2% drop, and everyone's thinking, right, we're back into the bear market. Is the bull market over? No, it's not, guys. A pullback is healthy in the market. I mean, to be honest, guys, price is not gonna just rip to the upside, break through the 6,000 go straight to 10,000. It just doesn't work like that, guys. People take profits. Anyway, let me just get rid of this drawing tool here, guys. Just clean up this chart a bit more. Right, we're back again. So guys, I've got the fib retracement here. So I've drawn it from this swing low to the swing high, and long and behold, the 618 retracement coincides with pretty much bang on $6,000. So to be honest, guys, I'll expect to get this drawing tool out again. I'll expect to ping pong in this zone here until finally we get that breakout. We break above this region here, a clean break, maybe find some support, maybe touch the 0.27 fib retracement, and then actually finally touch that 6,000. And then once we touch 6,000, and then we can actually find some bias. But to be honest, guys, I think in these current market conditions, even if we touch 6,000 and get rejected, and then we find support even all the way back down to 4,700, I believe it still be healthy for the market to have that slight pullback and then trying to climb back higher. Right, my next chart, guys, I'm going to go on to Ethereum. And I don't know, guys, if you remember my last video, I highlighted, let me just find this arrows. Right, found them. So I highlighted these lower highs that we were forming. Let me just clone it. I was just showing you guys about these high lows. We formed one here, another one here, another lower high here, and then as I said, guys, it was a bearish movement, and it didn't surprise me that we actually briefly touched this trend line that we've got forming here. And as you can see, guys, we're now, price is below this trend line. In my opinion, like I said in my previous video, Go back and watch it if you haven't already. I was expecting this pullback all the way back down to this liquidity region. What I mean by liquidity region, I mean, in my opinion, a lot of buy orders have been set in this region here. I mean, every time we've touched it, gone back up, and touched it, rocketed back up again, and then once again we had it, we touched this region and then rocketed it back up again. So to be honest, it won't surprise me have one more touch of this region before retesting this trend line once more. And like I've been saying for the past few weeks, my target is that $220. That is my medium term target, which I believe in theory with a $6,000 plus Bitcoin, if we touch that region, that should coincide with a $220 Ethereum. Anyway, jump into the next coin, and XRP. So once again, if you watch my previous video, we was kind of expecting this. Once again, we had this trend line here acting as resistance. We haven't broke out this region. I've had my Fibonacci retracement in this region, and I'm still expecting that 24.6 region. Why I'm expecting it? Like I said previously, we've touched this region, tapped it, rocketed it back up again. Again, we closed just above it once again, and we absolutely ripped like 200% to the upside. So no surprise, there's been a ton of accumulation in this region. There'll be one more drop into these two fib retracements here before we rocket back up again. I mean, look at this price, guys. I was discussing it with one of my friends today about XRP price and what's going on. Why has everything gone up like 300, over 100%, and yet since we had the drop in December, Bitcoin is literally exactly where it was back in December at the lows, where some other altcoins like Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, they're well over 100% in onto the upside. So it's no coincidence what's going on. There's been a lot of FUD flying about XRP, about the CTO selling a ton of his XRP. It's a bearish sign. Is XRP about to melt? No, guys. XRP are in there with the banks. They're in there with the financial institutions. They already, people know what's going on. I was reading an article today. I mean, year-on-year sales of XRP to institutional investors is up. So these guys know where to put the money. So we've had this accumulation zone here. I mean, you can tell it's accumulation. I mean, as soon as price starts to go up, we're melting back down again. And once again, as I said, there's a lot of buy orders, probably in the hundreds of millions of dollars in this region, and they're just been waiting to get bought up. So there's no surprise why price has been acting like that. I mean, we had this 8% drop here, and then people just already fleeing the market, already thinking, shit, XRP's going back down again. It's absolutely melting. Guys, I've been holding XRP for well over a year now, and I'm going to keep holding this XRP till it gets to the targets which I believe it can achieve, and it will outpace the rest of the market. Anyway, just to show you the difference between XRP and some other altcoins, I just want to show you something that I've noticed. If you look at the rise of Bitcoin Cash, for instance, at the low of the 14th of December to even where price is currently at right now, we're up 254%. We go to Litecoin. Once again, if we go to the lows in December, once again, go to the lows in December, and we go to where exactly price is right now. Oh, sorry, wrong tool. So let's get the price range tool. So we go from here. Look at that, guys. 210% to the upside from the lows of December to where price is currently at. And then let's go back to XRP and see what the hell's going on here. So we had the low in December, and let's go to price where currently price is at right now. 0.82% up. What does that show me, guys? It shows me there's a lot of accumulation going in this area here. These wells, if you like, financial institutions, banks, whatever, governments, whoever's buying up this XRP, they do not want price to go high. They want to accumulate at these low prices. Trust me, guys, they sell orders up in this region. So as soon as we try to break above, guess what? We're coming back down. Price needs to stay low. They need to accumulate more XRP. Anyway, rant over. So that's what I can see is happening again. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me, guys. And a shout out to the guy that said to me, that gave me the dislike for my funny accent. Guess what? I'm going to keep doing this funny accent. Anyway, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.